Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today it's time for another Petit Vour unboxing. Sorry if I'm butchering that name. You guys know every one of these videos I film, I tell you I don't speak French. But yeah, this is a $15 a month subscription service where they feature all cruelty-free products and a lot of times vegan products as well, which I really appreciate being a cruelty-free YouTuber myself. But let's go ahead and dive right in. I kind of destroyed the box already. But when you open it up, it says the creme de la cruelty free, and then it says be bold, be kind, Petit Vour right there. Then you always get a cute little card. I am rushing this because my phone is about to die and I'm about to lose all of the light in this room, which is not a lot. Let me see. Ooh, that's bad. I'm trying really hard to make this look better. We're gonna stick without that light because I look disgusting with it on. Okay, so first little guy I see, well, let's show you the inside of the box first because you guys like to see that. So, looks like this. Cool. Moving on. First little thing I see is this little white guy here. It says Envie d'Azur. I have no idea what that says. Petit Histoire, New York. I always feel like I try to have a Spanish accent when I read anything foreign. But this is violet, glistens while gentle rose dances in soft rain. Powdery orris is the quiet, cool whisper of Paris. This is a perfume. Oh, perfume oil. I'm gonna hate this so much. I hate rose, and I don't really care for violet either. I don't really like floral scents. They kind of just smell old lady-ish to me. If you like them, that's great, but they do not mix well with my body chemistry at all. My pH balance is just not floral, I guess, but it's a little glass bottle. It looks like this. It's a little tiny baby guy, but it does look like we have 4 other products, so I think this is just like a little bonus. I just got this everywhere. Ugh, no. Okay, I'm gonna put some on. I don't want to, but I'm going to. So there is some on my wrist there. I hate it, but I like want to smell it. It's like the top note is definitely rose. So immediately I smell rose and I'm like put off by it, but then like I keep smelling it and it smells more citrusy. So it gets better. Okay, we're gonna leave that alone for now and I'm gonna come back to it and smell my wrist at the end of this. So weird to say. This is worth $5. This little dude. The one thing I appreciate a lot about this brand is like most subscription services, they always include the prices, but the prices are always of the full-size products. This brand actually breaks it down, so when they have a sample size, they tell you the sample size of the product, like what it's worth. Next thing in here is this. This is by Juice Beauty. Juice Beauty is a good known brand. I know who they are, but this is a blemish clearing serum. This is gonna sound mad? What? I can't say words today, you guys. I just can't talk, and I look terrible in this lighting. I am so sorry. What was I saying? This is gonna sound conceited. That's what I was trying to say. But I don't really have blemishes on my face. Like I don't really get acne, so this isn't something that I need in my life. Maybe I will at some point in my life, hope not, but it could be something that I would need, but I don't need it right now. But this is worth $15. Oh, actually, no, that's just breakouts. Yeah. Reduced breakouts, unclogged pores, and even skin tone with this powerful serum packed with willow bark, salicylic acid, and organic fruit acids. If this was something I needed, I'd be super excited about it, but because it's not, I don't care. I wish they had like the customization options that like Ipsy has, so that I could say, hey, I don't have acne. If this was for blackheads, I'd be down because I do have those. I get them like right here, but I don't get acne on my face, thankfully, so don't need it. Next thing, Derma E. I know that brand too. This is the Essentials Radiance Toner. It's got glycolic acid and rooibos. Radiant Beauty, alcohol free. That's great. This is $2.50. What? I thought Derma E was expensive. This alcohol-free exfoliating toner with glycolic acid helps to tone, tighten, and brighten for a smooth and luminous appearance. I love luminous appearances. Sign me up for that. I don't really use toner very often. Doesn't really have a scent. Just smells clean. I appreciate that. I don't use toner as much as I should, but I do like them, so I'm not mad at that one. This is Paki Cleansing Cream by Hunau? I don't know. Hanua? I don't know this word. It's a Hawaiian skincare, so it's from Hawaii. That's kind of cool. Hawaiian salt, hibiscus, and seaweed cleanse, repair, and renew for soft, hydrated skin. $12. I will use this. I definitely need hydration on my skin. Doesn't smell. Yes, it does. It smells like seaweed. I'm okay with that. So I will use this. I like the bottle. It's cute. It's glass. But I like the way it looks. I'm excited for this, I guess. Yeah. Okay. And the last guy in here. Lengthening Organic Mascara by Harvest. So this is my favorite thing, I think, so far. 099 Black. $18. Yeah, $18. Ideal for sensitive eyes, the smudge-proof, water-resistant mascara lengthens and thickens lashes. This little guy is worth 18 bucks, huh? Okay, I am down for this. Not down for 18 bucks for this little guy because this looks like a travel size, but if it's amazing and life-changing, then I'm okay with it, I guess. Ugh, I hate the way that feels on my teeth. Is it like metal? Yeah. Don't open things with your teeth, guys. It's not good for you. But I don't have tweezers, and my nails are preventing me from opening this. I never understood, like, people with long nails are always like, oh yeah, let me open that. I have long nails right now, like I've grown them out, and I can't open anything. So, teach me your ways, people. Okay. 5 years later, we have this. I like the Harvest, like the silver is pretty. Okay. Oh, what is that smell? I hate that. I don't know, I threw the box. I don't know what's in here, but that smells really weird. Can you tell me what's in here? No, you're a mascara, why would you? Okay, I don't love the wand. So I don't know that I'll love this. What is that smell? It smells like vanilla, but like expired vanilla. That's the vibe I'm getting from this. That is weird. Okay, definitely gonna look up the ingredients and figure out what's in that because that is weird. But that's everything, you guys. Quick little recap. Trucks. Quick little recap. We got this guy. Yes, my makeup does not match my shirt. Let me put that out there. But I just did like a full face testing new makeup products. You guys will see that tomorrow. And I just kind of didn't care that it didn't match and didn't change for this video. But I'm excited for the mascara. Don't know that it's worth $18. We'll see. The perfume, I don't hate it. I would like this better as a body wash than I would a perfume. That's what I feel. So I feel like it's gonna make me sneeze, first of all. I don't know. I don't know because I can smell the rose. And when I smell the rose, I'm like, ugh. But then when I get past the rose smell, I'm like, that's pretty decent. So, I don't know. I don't hate it. I don't like it. So, probably won't use it again. But I don't hate it. If somebody like came up to me wearing this, I wouldn't be like, I can't stand to be around you, but I don't want to wear it myself. If that makes sense. Okay. The cleansing serum, clearing serum, I'm okay with. Like, I'm not going to use it because I don't need to, but it's not something that I'm like, why would you put that in here? Because it's a good product. Juice Beauty is a very known brand, and I will give it to somebody who will love it, I'm sure. The Derma E Radiance Toner, I'm excited about. I really thought Derma E was expensive, so the fact that this is $2.50 is mind-blowing to me right now, but I will use this for sure. I have a toner right now that I'm working on very slowly because I don't use toner as much as I should, but once that's gone, I will start this one. And the cleanser, same thing, don't use cleanser as much as I should, but I will use this and I am excited to try it. So that's everything, you guys. Let me know down below if you guys get this box. Did you get the same products I did? Does everybody get the same products I did? I don't know. Should probably look into that. But let me know if you guys enjoy the subscription. I think I've said this in every video, so I'm just gonna keep saying it, but pretty sure my subscription for this ends in December. This was a Christmas gift that my mom got me for like a year. So I think it ends in December. I don't intend on renewing it, but I do want to replace it with something else. So let me know down below what your favorite cruelty-free subscription service is so that I can look into it. And yeah, that's everything I have. Let me know if you guys enjoy these by liking this video and subscribing to my channel, and so you don't miss out on any more of my future videos or loud trucks that go by during every single one of them. And like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.